Every creator has ideas, but turning those ideas into videos usually takes a lot of time. You have to plan, record, edit, and hope it looks good enough to post. That's where most people give up. Shortbeast AI takes your idea and turns it into a TikTok in minutes. Let's say you have an idea like top 3 travel destinations. You type it in and the AI builds everything: the script, a natural sounding voice, captions, and visuals that fit. The end result is a polished video that's ready to go viral. The faster you can turn ideas into content, the more chances you have to connect with TikTok's audience. And with Shortbeast AI, speed and quality finally go hand in hand. If you're ready to turn your ideas into viral TikToks, use my link in the description and start with Shortbeast AI today.